I asked this AI agent to find public traffic and weather webcams near my location and send me the links so I could view them. And just like that, it got straight to work searching for them. Here, it handed me links to every public webcam in my area. Let me pull them up and show you. Look, these links are live. They're actually streaming footage from these cameras right now. Every single link the AI found checks out, and I can watch live public webcam feeds instantly, completely hands-free. I'm running the OpenClaw AI agent on my phone, and honestly, that part isn't new. I've shown it running on my phone before. What's genuinely impressive is just how capable it's become. And that's possible because it's running on a phone with Kali Linux installed, not a standard operating system. Now, Kali Linux isn't your average Linux distribution. It's built with a full arsenal of tools for ethical hacking and cybersecurity work. Since OpenClaw operates inside Kali Linux, locally, right on my phone, it can tap into every tool this distro has to offer. So, at this point, OpenClaw isn't just another agent, it's evolved into my personal ethical hacking assistant. And since OpenClaw integrates with practically any messaging app out there, I can run it on my secondary phone as well to stay on top of my tasks. For instance, I sent my AI agent a message on Telegram, asking it to run a complete OSINT investigation on myself. The second I hit send, it got to work. You can actually watch this happening in the background on the phone where OpenClaw is deployed. Before long, it came back with a full report. Educational background, social media presence, professional history, all of it. The accuracy was spot on. If I'd tried to compile all this manually, it would have taken hours, and honestly, some of it I may never have found on my own. So here's the full setup. OpenClaw is running on my Android phone with Kali Linux installed underneath it. It's essentially the same configuration ZSecurity demonstrated in their video, except they ran Linux on a laptop and deployed OpenClaw to the cloud. I built the entire thing locally, right here on my phone, because not everyone has PC. To get started, you'll need Kali Linux installed on your device first. I walked through that process in a previous video, and if you're looking to install it without root access, drop a comment below and let me know. I'm already planning a video on that. Now, to install OpenClaw, head over to its official website. You'll find the installation command listed there. Go ahead and copy it, then open your Linux terminal, paste the command, and hit enter. The installation will begin immediately. It takes a bit of time, so just let it run until it's finished. Once the installation wraps up, you'll need to kick off the onboarding process by running the command OpenClaw onboard. Once that's running, the onboarding flow will begin, and you'll enter a few details like your preferred AI provider, messaging app, and some additional settings. For a complete walkthrough, tap the info button to watch the full onboarding demonstration. Once onboarding is complete, it'll start running directly in your terminal, just like you see here. You could technically use it from this point, but since we want the full dashboard and messaging experience, the first step is exiting the terminal using the exit command. After that, run the next command. You'll find it in the description, so grab it from there. This generates a gateway token you'll need to access the dashboard. Copy that token and store it somewhere secure. You'll need it shortly. Next, type in OpenClaw Gateway and run it. Once that's active, the gateway service will launch, and after a moment, you'll see logs and details related to the onboarding you just completed. Once that appears, you're all set. The gateway is up and running. From there, open any browser on your phone and navigate to this URL. You'll find that in the description as well. Once the page loads, your OpenClaw dashboard will appear right away. If it prompts you for a gateway token, simply paste in the one you saved earlier and you're good to go. And there it is, your OpenClaw setup, fully operational. You can start using it right away and install any skill just by naming it. It'll take care of the installation automatically. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you get OpenClaw up and running on your own Linux phone. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.